I have a sort of hot take. Vivine and her show Hazbin Hotel is disgusting. She is a horrible person. And is extremely transphobic, and before you come at me saying, oh, but she makes representations in her shows, okay? She can still be transphobic, bird brain. My point still stands. Here is the proof. See, this is who so many people are supporting BTW. This is outrageous and disgusting.
Oh, and guess what, dude? It gets even fucking worse.
She said Valentino, a well-known character from Hazbin Hotel, who rapes and abuses Angel, is based off her. Yes, you heard that right. She fetishized male love, male relationships. And Vachi, one of her lesbian characters, is literally short for vagina. Please, don't watch this brain-rotted shit. I'd rather see my brother watch Italian brain rot than Hazbin Hotel.